Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to do a MoonPay review, and also I'm going to mention the pros and cons of this platform. So, MoonPay is a popular cryptocurrency payment platform that allows users to buy and sell digital assets using traditional payment methods like credit cards. As you can see from here, we have the MasterCards and we have the Visa cards, PayPal, and also it is going to be using Apple Pay, Google Pay, and additional bank transfer. MoonPay continues to be a popular fiat to crypto on ramp in 2025, offering a user-friendly experience for buying cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Here is a quick review or overview of its pros and cons. Now, let's start with the pros. It is going to be easy to use interface, perfect for beginners. It is going to support plus than 80 cryptocurrencies and 39 fiat currency. So you're going to head over the website, click on get started, and you're going to find all of the cryptocurrencies that we have in the platform. So you can go ahead and click on buy here and see that we have the tokens and also the popular tokens like Ethereum, Bitcoin, Tether, Solana, and etc. And it is going to be well known for the multiple payment methods like the credit cards from MasterCards, Visa cards. These are going to be the payment methods. As you can see, we have Apple Pay and Google Pay, and so the PayPal. It is going to be available in plus 160 countries. The fast transactions is on point, and also it is going to have often completed in under 10 minutes. The transfer, I mean by that. We have a non-custodial service enhancing the security, of course, and we have the NFT buying capabilities and integration with major marketplaces. And let's not forget about the free MoonPay balance feature for fee-less crypto purchases. Now, let's talk about a little bit of the cons that we are going to face or we are going to have in this platform. So the first one is going to be the high fees for the card purchases. So it is going to be about a 4.5% or and also plus $3.99 minimum, of course. And it is going to have a limited advanced trading features, and it is not going to be available in all the US states like New York, Nashville, and etc. So you can find the topic or the support subject of this specific con into their helping center, and you're going to find it everywhere in the web if you're going to search for it. You need only to type in what are the cities that is or that are not available for MoonPay. Now let's talk about what is this app is best for. Basically, it is going to be best for beginners and casual investors. Also, it is going to be very suitable for users prioritizing the convenience over lower fees. It is going to be very convenient into my opinion or the testers' opinions. So it has also the quick crypto purchases with various payment methods. So it is going to be mentioned in here, and it is going to be very suitable for everybody. Now, for the NFT enthusiasts looking for easy buying options, MoonPay is going to be the place. Now, MoonPay stands out for its simplicity, security, and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. While it may not be the cheapest option for the frequent large volume traders, its ease and also simplicity of use and instant transactions make it an attractive choice for many crypto buyers in 2025. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.